Hello everyone and welcome to my first video. Now today we're inside an underground bunker. I'm a bit nervous because I'm on my own, but hopefully nothing bad happens. Now if you enjoy, if you wouldn't mind put a like and maybe subscribe. Thank you. Now let's roll my intro. Not fucking doing anything. Excuse my language. There's a carpet. This is freaky. Where will my camera focus? Oh, it goes deeper. Oh no, that's just a room. There's a hole right there. And then there's the rest of it. This is dark as hell. I usually have someone with me when I'm checking out these places, but my mate Corey couldn't make it with me today. So it's just you guys and me. Remember now, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I will be uploading, I'll try to upload every 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Yeah. This is a really weird and creepy place. It's like, why are these handprints by art? Like, look. They're not even adults. So, I don't know. It's a bit weird. Right, now I am going to get the spirit box out. Just to see if we get anything. Oh, that's my Snapchat. Right, now this app I've viewed a few YouTubers use. There, took a while to load. Are there any spirits here that would like to communicate with me? Speak through this device in my hand. That was a yes. Can you tell me your name, please? I don't mean any disrespect, I just want to communicate. Use all your power. I didn't quite catch that. Can you please tell me your name? Can you tell me how many spirits are here? That was a no. Okay. Can you tell me anything? Is there anything you want to tell everyone? Come on, you can tell me. Let's walk more in. Ooh, get a lot more. Get a lot more over here. Can you tell me your name? What is your name? What is your name? I would like you to communicate with me. How many spirits are here? Suddenly gone quiet. Is it dead? What the fuck? Oh, excuse my language. Can you tell me if you died in here? Tell me anything. Okay, I just had a no. Okay, well, I am going to end this session now then, if you have nothing else to say. Thank you for communicating. There we go, guys. Well, I was hoping we'd have a bit more than that. I was hoping we'd have a lot more answers in that way. Right. Wouldn't focus on my head then. But, yeah. Can't do nothing about it. So this is going to be a short, well, saying I'll take you one more ride around. Shit. Oh, gotta stop swearing. Enjoy your life. Anything on this wall? No. Why is it only this wall? I'm laughing, I'm crying, it feels like I'm dying. Why me? Kill them when they come. No, we'll kill them when the time comes. Oh shit. Oh, fuck. Gotta stop swearing. Naughty word, naughty word. If I keep my eyes closed, she feels just like you. Could somebody tell me, in every creepy place like this, why is there creepy writing on the walls? It's weird. See if there's any other writing in other places. Anything in here? No. That just says I love. What does that say? Somebody named Chloe. Okay, a lot of lovebirds being in here. Tingles. What sort of nickname is Tingles? That's like being called Cuddly. What the hell, like? What a crap nickname. Oh, Illuminati eye. Not I. Ah, that says Illuminati. Run. And there's the... Why is there an anti-cross? And there's an anarchy symbol over there if it focuses. The anarchy symbol over there, right next to the Antichrist symbol. Then we got a couple more words over here, well, mainly names. But another anarchy symbol there. Remember. And then the rest. Something will remember. Something will remember. This one's by far the more creepy one. So, I think I'll call it now, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out to here. So let's go.